Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering on the Wii and keeping the main Wii remote active so the system is awake. This ensures the console accepts new connections. Once done, take the second Wii remote, open its battery cover, and press the small sync button. Hold it down briefly to enter pairing mode. Make sure to open the console's front flap and press the red sync button inside. This puts the Wii into registration mode, which tells it to look for additional controllers. Once the Wii is in registration mode, watch the LEDs on the new remote. Flashing indicates it's attempting to pair, and that's why you held the sync button earlier. Next, press 1 and 2 together on the remote. This finalizes the link and assigns it to a player slot. After a moment, make sure the remote's LEDs settle on the correct player number. This visual feedback confirms the console and remote understand each other, and why the remote will now control the menu and games. You finish by testing the new remote in the Wii menu. Move the cursor, press A, and navigate to verify full responsiveness. This proves the sync succeeded. If the remote is sluggish or the LEDs are dim, replace the batteries. Low power often causes connection drops. If problems persist, repeat the sync steps while standing close to the console and remove sources of interference, because distance and wireless noise are common causes of failed pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.